In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with HubSpot CRM. By the end, your Jotform submissions will flow straight into HubSpot so your team can track leads without any manual copy-paste. Make sure you're signed into your HubSpot account with the right permissions and have your Jotform login handy. Start on the HubSpot home screen. From here, open the main settings by clicking the gear icon in the top navigation. This takes you to your account settings where all integrations are managed. In the left sidebar, find the integration section. This is your hub for connecting external tools to HubSpot. Inside integrations, go to connected apps. This page lists everything that's already installed in your portal. To add Jotform, choose Add More Connections. That opens the HubSpot app marketplace, where you can browse or search for apps. Use the search bar and type Jotform. Look for the official Jotform app by Jotform. Select it to open the listing. On the listing page, you can review what the app does, check the permissions it needs, and confirm it's compatible with your HubSpot plan. When you're ready, click Install. If you're prompted, confirm the correct HubSpot account, review the requested access, and approve. Depending on your browser and security settings, you may see an authorization pop up. Allow it so the install can finish. When installation completes, HubSpot will show Jotform among your connected apps. With the connection in place, you can now build or choose the form you want to sync. Head to the Jotform integration page for HubSpot and click Add to Form. If you aren't already signed into Jotform, log in when prompted. Then select the specific Jotform you want to connect, adding the integration links that form to your HubSpot CRM so submissions create or update records according to the integration's options. If Jotform shows settings for what to send, such as creating contacts, follow the on-screen prompts inside Jotform to confirm those choices. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure you're working in the correct HubSpot portal before installing. If you don't see Jotform appear in connected apps right away, refresh the page. And if your browser blocked a pop-up during install, allow it and try again. After adding the integration to your form, it's a good idea to submit a test entry in Jotform and verify that the corresponding record appears in HubSpot. That's it. You've connected Jotform with HubSpot CRM and added the integration to your form so your submissions can seamlessly populate your CRM.